Hey there, welcome back to the channel. I'm glad you're here. Today, we're going to explore the word LP in depth. First, the definition. LP means long play, a type of vinyl record format. Think of it simply as a big music album on a disc. Now let's talk about where this word comes from. Origin stories can be fascinating. LP traces back to 1948 with Columbia Records' introduction of the 12-inch vinyl format. Over time, it's been used by music lovers and collectors around the world. The word has carried through history and still shows up today in surprising ways. So, how do you use LP in everyday language? Let's go through some examples. Correct example 1. I bought an LP yesterday because I love listening to music on vinyl records. Correct example 2. She carefully placed the LP on the turntable to enjoy the full album experience. And just for fun, here's a playful wrong example. I tried to LP my homework, but it didn't go well. See how context makes a big difference? Using LP correctly helps your meaning come across clearly, while using it wrong can sound confusing or just funny. Quick recap. LP means long play, a type of vinyl record format. It comes from Columbia Records introducing this format in 1948, and you can use it in sentences like the ones we shared. Now I'd love to hear from you. Try writing your own sentence with LP down in the comments. Get creative. And if you found this helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join us for more word deep dives every day.